Good morning, good morning. Hi everyone. Can you hear me? Hello. Okay, good. Everyone can hear me, right? Happy New Year. Belated Happy New Year. So this is the first live stream in 2026. How are you guys doing? Oh, come on, not that fast. I was still doing my greetings. Come on. Really? You start to move now? No, don't do that. So do you guys start trading yet? Or still in holiday mood right now? Well, obviously today we don't get the Asia session that I love. We don't get the range. You're already in the trade. Is it a long or short for you? We're in premium, very premium. Okay, let me see. Yeah, weekly and daily is bullish. Yeah, we can switch to daily time frame. Oh, not here. This one. So here you can see this huge daily FUG, the hold price, these two daily candlestick drop in, which to the bottom of daily FUG and go up again. And we got okay, this price already touched the daily volume. Also, we got daily FUG here. Turn into 1 hour. This 1 hour CB turn into FUG. Yeah. We are high time frame bullish, obviously. And also we got some liquid pool here. We got this high, and this high will be a relative equal high. But also we can miss something is we got so many liquid pool here, right? It is typically LL. You can definitely create something here, right? You're already in short. I was late. I was a little bit late. I am looking for short too, but like we are high timing bullish. I can like totally ignore something like that, right? Oh, let me see. We got midnight opening price down there. But like, since this is like the first stream in 2026, I will take easy. I'll take easy. No rush, no rush. We just start the stream for like 5 minutes, right? You don't have to we don't have to get into a trade just right at the start of the stream. Let me take a look on the fold. Bias for London session, 51% bullish, 20% bearish, and 30% neutral. Okay, so half of you, half of the chat, thinking this is like bullish for the London session. How is Hong Kong? I have no idea. I heard it's cold in Hong Kong, isn't it? Thank you, Futures Trading Dawn. I'm wishing you success in 2026 too. Do you guys have any New Year resolution related to trading? $100K a year? Oh, that's not enough. $100K a year. That's not enough. $100K a month. You should make that as your goal. $100K a month. Most of European countries have holiday today. Really? No one tell me. What holiday is that? I have no idea. What holiday is it? Would you still recommend APEX? Oh, I almost forget that. Yes, APEX. Today is the last day of 90% off for APEX. So, if you want to get your account with only $20, 20 bucks, today is the last day. All right. So right now, all account size, even if you're trading the 300K, is 20 bucks. And the lifetime PA fees for 25K to 100K is only 65, which is crazy because when I was buying those accounts, it was $140. Now it's 65. So you still got 21 hours to get this 90% off APEX account. Remember, you use Coke Candy, right? Appreciate. Are you in China? No. Don't you know you can access YouTube in China? You can use YouTube, Google, Instagram, Facebook, anything. Don't you know that? I'm not in China. Hong Kong is nice today, sunny, fresh air. Good. So what holiday is that? Still no one answer me? You said it's a European country's holiday, right? What is that? Let me Google it. Three Kings Day. Okay, I have no idea. I'm so sorry. I will educate myself. I have no idea. I've never heard about that. Okay, so it's a bank holiday for some countries, right? I guess. I'll still trade. I would say, just be cautious or lower your position size. Okay. This one. If I look for if there's really a setup, because there can be no setup, parts can just go straightly to the daily high. But if there's some setup, the credit pool, my eyes will be on here, this one and this one. If not, then I got no trades. You know, I probably can't get in the trade. I will see. I don't have to decide. Because someone's asked, so no trade in London session. I won't decide if I have a trade or not. I will see if there's any potential setup. So it's not like I want to trade today and I have to trade because, like, for example, I want to request a payout tomorrow, so I have to fulfill the trading day requirements, so I have to trade today. But there's no setup. I can sit and set up, or it's just not a ideal trading model for me. Then I'll skip it. I'll skip it if that's the case. Because you can't force a trade. If you force a trade, it's not a discipline. It's not a disciplined behavior. Are you bullish for a session? I'm actually neutral. I know you guys hate to hear that, but I'm actually neutral. If I want to try a trade, I would like to try a short setup if there's any setup. But right now we're high timing bullish, so I'm neutral. Yeah, exactly. Expansion in the Asia session. I have no idea why every time on a live stream I got an Asia session like this. Because like yesterday it was so easy, right? You see, yesterday Asia range, me and my group, you know, my private trading community, you know, we got a few of us get in the same trade because it's so easy. It's so easy. It's just literally when you turn on the chart, you can get in the trade. It's just that easy. But today we got an Asia session like this. Okay, I will wait for it. I'll wait for it. Okay. Mm-hmm. And also because like the midnight opening price is here, right? So even if price we chase, it may hit this midnight opening price within the 5-minute average and then go up again. And here price yes may also reach into this average and break out this equal low liquidity, and we chase to hit the daily high again too. So it's hard for me to get in a trade right now. I don't feel secure to do that. The range in Asia is important. Exactly. Remember, accumulation, manipulation, distribution is the key. Well, if there's no setup, I can just like tape reading today. It's not like I have to trade, right? So if price turn this one into FVG, then might go up and kill all this buy side critique. Let's see. I'm gonna bore you today. But this is the first stream in 2026. It should be fun. Yesterday is so easy. See, everyone said yesterday is easy. I saw live stream yesterday, but I wasn't available. How was a joke? I'm not a chameleon. Why don't you chat on MNQ? Why would I? Why would I chat on MNQ? Well, first thing first, even if you're a micro trader, if you don't trade mini, you only trade micros, you should still chatting on NQ. Okay? Guess you didn't watch ICT videos, right? Okay, so right now we're going down. No, I'm not changing this. I mean, yes, you can count this as a 2022 model, but just for me, it's not like very worthy to get into trade. Especially today, I am trading my personal account. Yes, because there's some haters out there saying, "Oh, yeah, this guy only trade like pop firms," which I am a pop firm trader, so of course I trade pop firms. So, but and I can also trade my personal capital. I made like 10K, 10,000 US dollars on my personal account yesterday. So, it's funny. You only do 5 minutes chart. No, I'm showing you 5 minutes. I mean, what do you expect me to do? I switch to 15 seconds per second. I keep changing it. It's not possible, right? I mean, I got two screen, two monitor. Well, technically 3, including my laptop screen. So on my main screen, I'm watching both the 1 minute and 15 seconds and also 30 seconds. To be honest, I want to see how price react with the mid-opening price. I would rather miss the short. Because it's just, for me, it's still possible for price to retrace after hitting this mid-opening price. You know what? I'm currently using a standing desk. So I'm standing while live streaming. And I thought Dubai is a international city, but I can't even buy a Secret Lab gaming chair. I can't. They're not shipping to UAE, which is insane. There's a lot of things I can buy here. Both products from the US, from the European, also Asia. Seriously. Secret Lab is good. But I want to buy the new model, the latest model. Because I was using the 2022. It's literally 2022 model in Hong Kong. I know you like people recommend Herman Miller, but like I like leather, like the material. So I just won't buy Secret Lab. But obviously I can't get it here. They're not shipping to Dubai. I should move to the US. Why? Why would I? I don't want to pay those taxes. And I don't like the tipping culture. Do you trade OT strategy? I'll use the golden ratio, the Fibonacci too. Are you in short? No. If I'm in a chair, I will show you. Okay. If I'm in a chair, I will show you here. So my Ninja Trader account here. I'm not. I'm not in anything right now. I'm just reading the chat. Herman Miller not good nowadays, really? Do you offer trading alerts? Come on, guys, don't look for signal service. Trust me, because I've done that before. I mean, I joined some signal service like a few years ago. It was trash, simply trash. You're not gonna learn anything. You can't learn anything. Trust me. It's not like that signal provider is trash. It's almost all of them are trash. Would you ever start trading gold? I trade gold before. I actually trade gold. Right now I don't do it anymore, but like I'll consider it. Because I'm trying to refine my trading strategy today, like this year. You usually trade 5 minute chart. I already told you. There's no specific time frame I use. All right, I trade lower time frame. That's what I can tell you, because I literally use every time frame. It's impossible to only look at one time frame. I know there's some question. If you can only look into one time frame, which time frame will you choose? This is a crazy question because no one's gonna do that. That is like just an assumption. You won't use only one time frame. I joined a signal service. I don't provide any signal service. I joined it like a few years before I learned ICT concept. I mean, like it's just like every beginner, right? I literally do everything that a beginner shouldn't do. Like get into, so I got scammed a lot of money. You know, I try perform passing service. I try high frequency trade service, signal services. A lot of it. It's just a lot. So the scammers love me, you know, because I pay a lot of money to them. That's why I know it's useless. Also, EA, I try it too, which is I don't recommend it. I can't say 100% of them are useless, but like 90%, I would say. My English is much better than before. It still sucks, but like, I was. How was I? How was that? It sounds so weird. I'm not so sure. What's that? but I still have heavy accent, which I think is okay because like people here their accent is like I think I'm okay with that. Do you have any Nigerian here? Because I still cannot handle Nigerian accent. I really need some Nigerian to teach me. I can handle Indian accent, but like Nigerian accent is real hard. Oh my god. Who's here? Jerry. Oh my god. How are you? Whoa. Hey ha. Where have you been? You doing good? How's your restaurant? Oh, your first day back training this year. Awesome. I should invite you to the stream next time. Jerry's a great trader too. So if anyone would like to meet some trading friends from the US, you should definitely contact Jerry. Oh my god, price moving so slow. If you experience any issues with the trade copier, you should contact their support. They got a Discord community too, so you can literally just, tell them about your issues inside that Discord server. And for those who joined the Pop Trader Training Camp but still didn't connect your Discord account, remember to do so because we got a lot of things going on inside that Discord. If you didn't connect your Discord account, you can't see everything. You send me a friend request on Discord, but it gets rejected because I set it is in default not accepting any friend requests. So I'm not blocking you or anything. It's just like because so many people got DM from scammers pretending me. So I just simply like don't use that function. So chat, remember to hit the like button. Those we don't have any chat yet, yeah, but it's 4 minutes. I didn't see anything. And to be honest, if I get into a shot here, wow, it would be very painful because after 30 minutes I'm still here. That would be very painful if I get into a shot. So I think I did the right thing. I did the right thing. So right now price we chase back to this daily average. Also not daily, sorry. 5 minutes average and also a volume balance. Same as yes. But it didn't even touch the mid opening price. Did anyone catch like New York Sessions move? The long? Did you guys catch it? The 10K, $10,000 profit I was sharing with the long yesterday during New York AM session. So I TP, I close my position here. So do you guys have any recommendations for camping chair? Because I can't buy Secret Lab now, so I love Secret Lab. I gotta choose another one. Even if I'm willing to pay for the like shipping fee, they still not shipping to UAE. I should just move to London. I can't regret it right now. I should move to London. Because I was struggling between London and Dubai at the time. Really? 點解啊？好凍啊？ Did you move already, Jerry? You know you've been away for too long. You've been away for too long. You miss everything. Come back to our Discord. Come back to our Discord. Okay, we got a lot of things for you. 有冇地暖㗎？其實英國，因為我見嗰啲暖板好似唔係好夠暖。如果有地暖嘅，或者學韓國咁樣，咁就應該 OK 嘅。Why London don't they have the higher taxes? Yeah, the tax is real high, the tax rate. That's also one thing. I mean, I can't figure it out because the tax system is so complicated compared to Hong Kong. I know I mean, if I have to move there, I will reach out to a CPA and accountant for sure, but I still want to understand like what's going on before reach out to an accountant, which I can't understand anything. I guess like they're expert for a reason because it's really complicated. My personality, I'm more suited to UK. How do you know what is my personality? What is my real personality? Okay, well, let's see. Still going on. 冇地戀? No way! How come a city? I thought London is an international city. No! Spain is nice. Okay, so many traders are in short right now. Everyone in the chat said they're in short. Well, we got some liquidity pull down here, obviously. I just not really something I'm looking for. So it's not good enough for me to get into a trade, I would say. But it doesn't mean the trade idea can be valid. Because I remember a few days ago, I think it was the AM session. Yeah. New York AM session. That I think I caught the long when market open. Yeah, and then someone's on social media like laughed at me and said, "Oh, you didn't catch this shot. This is a large range shot, but you didn't catch it, bro." I mean, I didn't catch everything. I didn't even catch the London session. I didn't catch the Asia. I didn't get the previous day. I didn't get today's session. I mean, there's so many moves I didn't catch. But like, what do you want? You want me to catch every move in the market? I mean, what am I? I'm not a Pokemon. I'm not a Pokemon catcher. I'm not gonna catch everything. I'm here to make money. And when I make enough money, I'll get off the chart. I'll just live my life. And it's the same. I don't have to catch everything. I think even if this short idea is valid, I just don't think it's aligned with what I want, then I don't trade it. Trust me, during this stream, I am the one who want to trade the most. Because I don't want to do the stream for nothing. I'm gonna spend like around 2 hours here. I don't want to just talk, I really want to trade. So the most disappointed person that have no trades here is me. It's definitely not you, the chat. It's me. Waiting for 3 a.m. Yeah. I think so. Maybe that like you guys had the holiday, a European holiday, did affect it because like it moves so slow. Your laughing style are more suited to UK. Well, to be honest, the British accent still quite hard for me. I can't really understand like 100% for British accent. Like my dentists are from UK, and most of the time I can't understand what he's talking about. But we're not having a deep conversation. We're just talking about dental, so I don't have to understand everything. Like around 80%, that's enough. All right. I really want to see like what price we're at with this midnight opening price. So I hope it at least touch it first. Are you going for long? No, I'm not going for anything. Come on, give me something interesting. I mean, if you've watched my live stream for a while, you already understand why I didn't want to get into this shot. You see, Like if I get into here, this is 2:11. Right now it's already 30 minutes. We're still here. We didn't reach to any the critical, not even the low. This is like the last thing I want. Like get into a trade, wait 30 minutes, and price is still consolidating, doing nothing. This kind of trade is something I don't want to get engaged with. So I'm trying to explain why I'm not in a trade. Even I do want to look for short setup because like it's just not something I would like to trade. But I gotta say, if you're trading eval, like prop firm evals, you're totally fine. It's totally fine. But for funder account or like personal account, probably you should be more cautious about that. MNO midnight opening price. So it's 12 midnight Eastern time. So remember always set your chart to New York time if you're trading IC concept. You don't think you've seen PA this boring before? But like little session is already boring. That's why I live stream because I'm bored. And yeah, I gotta distract myself. So when I live stream, we have the chat and so right now for the vote, after 215 votes, it's still 52% is looking for bullish. Yeah, we were really hard timing bullish right now. How have you been? Well, that's a long story. That's a long story. It's okay, I would say. It's okay. To be honest, I thought after I made a million payout, it's gonna have some difference in my life. But um, in reality, it didn't make much difference. Maybe I have to make a billion to have any difference because right now I really didn't see any difference in my life. So what are you doing lately, Jerry? Have you been trading for the past few months? Is it time for a vlog? I bought the Flow 2 from Insta 360. So I do have some plans to film something, but it's just a plan. Okay, midnight opening price. Finally. Going down. Let's see if it hit this. All right. This low is the high of the 1 hour FVG. What is this one? And also below is the daily FVG and NWAT. So eco low in ES is clear. Okay, we will see how price react with this. You had the food for a month and a half. Oh my god, I'm so sorry to hear that. I hope you get better right now. You took a lot of time off trading the end of the year. Yeah, you should, you know. I wasn't trading for the whole November too. And I realized I missed trading. You know, so many traders, they said like after they don't want to be day trading like for the rest of their life. Like they after they get a bunch of capital, they probably are gonna invest to like real estate or any other assets or crypto or do swing trading. But I do enjoy being a day trader. Like like my goal was to become a trader, not to make money through trading, but become a trader. So I like this career. And that's why I also don't afraid of those what haters accusing me because I trade for a living. That's what they don't understand. I trade for a living. So if you hate me or you don't like me, you tell me to fuck off. I'm still making money because all I have to do is trade. You know, I don't have to do anything with all those other people's online or in reality. If you like me or not, because I'm still gonna make money with just the market, my computer, and the internet. I trade for a living. That's why I'm not evading any of those like trolls. But for people that can only be profitable by just getting commission, they will be like scared to get these comments because they can't trade. You know who I'm talking about, right? You all know that. Watches. I thought it's a male thing. I don't think women are very into buying luxury watch or fine watches. I mean, I'm still wearing an Apple Watch. Okay, 10 minutes to 3 a.m. Eastern Time. I would like to see something for 3 a.m. right now. Patience. We need to be patient. Thoughts on none if we invert the 1 minute FVG. Where is that? You mean you're not telling me this, right? You want me to long here with this FVG? No, I'm fine with that. I'm fine. I'm totally fine. I didn't even get any Chanel. I mean, I thought I'm gonna buy like a whole cabinet, a whole closet of Chanel, but I didn't. I don't know. I just don't feel like it. Maybe if I move back, if I relocate to Hong Kong, I will want to buy those bags. I just because here in Dubai, I feel like I don't really need it. Monthly subscription, no, it's not. It's not open for the public. As I said, I trade for a living. You know, I don't make education for a living. So I prefer a small group because I want to like communicate with this trader. We get more deep conversation, and I can understand everyone's struggles and see how we can help them. Of course, it sounds quite weird for someone because like how is someone gonna just want to help a stranger? But by helping a stranger, it's actually helping myself. You know, you feel better when someone achieves success because of you. You definitely feel that. I don't know. Have you ever teach anyone anything? For example, like teach them how to swim, how to ride a bicycle. Do you have any experience like that? And when that person did make something successful on what you teach, you feel different, and that is something I'm looking for. Oh, it's just so slow. Okay, 8 minutes to 3 a.m. Yeah, Jerry, I missed your stream. But I do hope you can say something when you're streaming. If not, then I'll be a bit boring. But still, I still enjoy your stream. Do you still stream in like anywhere or YouTube or anything? Oh, that's 221 watching the stream. I really want to take a trade for you, for real. But I didn't find any potential setup that I like. Trust me, I do want to get into a trade. I actually get my Ninja Trader ready. I saw you. Yeah. But obviously, we don't have any setup yet. Why are you not streaming? Not streaming anymore? Why? It's fun. It's kind of fun to be a live streamer. Cool. Yeah, sure. We talk later. I'm bored. You become a better person through teaching because you need to think from a higher dimension and enable others to understand. Yeah, exactly. You know what? I actually start the education because I want to teach my friend, one of my best friend. But she just like any other beginners. Like I want to learn trading, like but she didn't willing to do the work. I told him to watch a video. She didn't watch it. I will tell him to like read some like PDF or books. He didn't read it. I told him to, yeah, I told him to do something and she never did that. So sometimes it's hard, you know. You need to know how to make your friend become rich, but she just don't listen to you. She doesn't listen to you at all. But I think it's just like it's just a normal person. What the struggles a normal person will face. They're focusing on their full-time job because it's something that currently making them like money, right? The daily income they're making from is from that full-time job. So of course they want dedicated to that job instead of spending time on other things that they don't know if they can be success on. So I can understand that, but I mean, what can I do? I can't tell her to, stop doing those shit. Just come to learn trading. I mean, I'm not. I can't tell her to do that, right? It's her life. It's her life. I can't make decision for her. Go have my setup right now. Everyone want me to take a look on Go. Why? Why? Everyone want that. Okay, GC. What setup? You know what my setup is? Go have my setup. I didn't think so. I don't think so. Where is it? I didn't see any of my setup or lower time frame. No, there's no. No, it's not my setup. See, I already told you. You don't know what my setup is. Trading is uncertainty for a 9 to 5. They don't want to take risks. Yeah, I can understand that. But I was a 9 to 5 too. 9 to 6 technically. But I think it is kind of different for people that to get different personality. Because compared to my friend, I was the one that willing to try more new things and like having more adventures. But like these people just want a stable life, which is not wrong at all. I mean, they can do whatever they want, right? So if you don't have that personality to accept taking risks, probably trading isn't a good option for you. Jerry is not in the chat. Oh, if you're in the chat, I'm gonna follow you. I'm gonna follow your chat. Okay, is that 3 a.m. right now? I want to see. Okay, 3 a.m. Eastern time. Finally, candlestick is moving. Okay, this low hit. What? I think I just got a call from scammer. I was saying, why the tax authority is calling me? And then when I listen to the call, it's a recording, so I'm sure it's a scam. It's a Dubai tax authority. I was like, I just get into this country. Why am I got call from tax authority? That's crazy. Okay, dip into a 1 hour average. Mm-hmm. Nothing yet. Just tape reading for me. You go live more often? I was planning to go live more often here. So remember to subscribe and turn on your notification. Do you have any high impact news this week? Do you have NFP or something like that? Oh my god, we got NFP. Today is Tuesday, and Wednesday we got NFP here. Friday, shit. I was planning to do more live stream starting this year, but like NFP week. No wonder we got a nice trade yesterday, because during NFP week, Monday is the best trading day, as always. I didn't even look into the economic character. In that case, let me take a look on next week. Next week we got CPI. Oh yeah, also here. All right. Next week we got CPI, PPI, and then employment claims. Yeah, I think we can do. We'll see. We'll see. Next week we can do Monday. I'm gonna live stream right before CPI, like on the same day. This week is non-farm payroll. No. This week is NFP week. So NFP protocol. Shit. I'm still looking for trading opportunities right now. So I'm gonna keep an eye on the move. Okay, let's try it. Gotta wait for candle calls. Candle body calls. Yeah. Can you see that? No. Oh, wait. I was targeting this one. We'll see if price retraces back with this because okay, price already retracing with the 15 seconds and 30 seconds CB. But I was thinking like, yeah, let's try it. I'm using 7 points stop loss, which is very tight. So I think it's okay if it's 7 points. I can afford with the losses if it's 7 points. Price may want to hit this liquidity if it keep retracing. Because I'm trying to trade this range instead of the high time frame range. We'll see. So 7.5 point, if it's a loss, it will be $300. Okay, I think I have to say goodbye to my $300. Goodbye my money. Goodbye $300. I'll see you later. I'll see you back later. $300. Account size. It's my personal account. I deposit 50,000 US dollars and I made like 10,000 yesterday during New York AM session. So right now it's around 60,000. Yeah, 60,000 exactly. It's gonna hit my stop loss. But I'm not moving it because like if you have your plan and your trading rule, you shouldn't adjust your stop loss because you're scared or anything. If it come into your stop loss, it come to your stop loss because you have calculated risk, right? Okay, goodbye. Guess I shouldn't change my approach last minute. We'll see. I'll see another liquidity sweep and try to find other things. Because I was trying to trade this range because this range is just high time frame range with Asia expansion. That's why I get into the trade. And it got good risk reward ratio, which I love it. But it's actually great. It's actually great, right? To show a losing trade. This is real because I'd rather to show a daily life, like the routine of a trader instead of just success example. Because every trader are gonna have losing trades, including you and me, and even ICT. Everyone's gonna have losing trades, and how are you gonna use calculated risk for it, and how you gonna preserve your capital and maintain your mental capital to get into another trade after that without over trading, without revenge trading or over leveraging. That is the thing I would say is the most essential part for being a trader. Maybe I really shouldn't change my approach in last minute. That is, I was trying to look for a short setup for the whole London live stream, but like I started to get into a long setup. My bad, my bad. But I still don't regret it because I get calculated risk and everything is aligned. I just feel like this is something I'm looking for. Yeah, we did strip it for both ES and NQ. Since I don't want to be over trading, I will be more cautious after the first losses. I want to demonstrate a good trading habit instead of just like I want to recover my loss, so I have to catch the next move immediately, which is not necessary. Yeah, and I don't mind showing losses on stream because I have so many losing stream and also winning stream. That's why I can say I'm legit because I'm not hiding anything. I never hide anything. So we're getting to the second 1 hour FVG, also the low of daily FVG. So 3 a.m. Eastern time is the move for today. We are inside, I think, for 50%, around 50% of the range right now. Let me get rid of this slide. How many years did you spend to get you here? You mean for trading? So many years. I mean, I first started trading in 2019, which is not a real day trading. It's more like swing trading at the time. And I'm not like taking it very serious. It's just like I want to have more income besides my full-time job. So I'm not like I want to be a trader, that type of trading. But I'll say where in 2022 I was taking it seriously and really dig deep into trading, and I read a lot of books, a lot of trading analysis, watch a lot of videos, join a lot of course. I mean, I spend a lot of money on educational course with both English and Cantonese in Hong Kong. So I would say it's worth it. I mean, as a beginner, there's so many things you don't understand, and you did want someone that can just tell you everything directly. So I would say it's worth it, but buying a course will not get you become like consistently profitable. It will like help you to skip a lot of things, but you still have to do your own hard work. Bro. Oh, come on. I have to look for it. Something. Don't force me to live stream during New York session, man. It's going to these liquidity pool right now. Bro, I want another trading opportunity. And kill. Seriously, if I got nothing during this London session, I'm gonna live stream New York for today. Because like tomorrow is NFP, it's the NFP week, so you don't trade Wednesday and Thursday. You only trade after the NFP release, which is after 8:30 on Friday. So if I want to live stream, it's got to be today. Will you do trend following? Of course. I mean, I'm not only trading reversal, I also trade continuation trade. But like trend following, it depends on which range you're trading. If you're trading a larger range or a smaller range. Well, I mean it seriously. If I didn't get anything before 4 a.m. Eastern time, I'm gonna live stream New York session today. This is shit. This is shit. But I bet you guys not gonna watch it, right? You're a London session trader. Do you guys trade New York session too? Come on. Give me something. Oops. We're in the golden ratio of this range. We see if price is gonna keep coming down or we chase. I'm kind of disappointing for myself. Why would I switch my approach in last minute? This is crazy. SMT with ES. Yes, exactly. ES with the HLO, but NQ didn't do it yet. I didn't even have breakfast yet. Do you have any recommendation for my breakfast? Let me see, what should I order? There's no Hong Kong cuisine here. Some Korean restaurant pretending to be a Hong Kong restaurant. That's one like that. Dumplings? No. You have dumplings for breakfast? You going back to bed? Good night, Daniel. Come on. Well, it's actually not bad, right? If I get nothing until 4, then you guys can get one more live stream later tonight. Saidosi. It's too heavy. I need something light. Like I'm on diet. The light yellow. Which one? This one? This is the end dot. Vodka tonight. Oh, well, if I'm trading New York session, then I'm not drinking. Like at the moment. I usually don't drink when I'm trading. Or before trading. I mean, I did try it several times, but it's not like something like vodka. It's just probably cocktail or beer that it won't like affect me at all. But vodka, that will affect me, I think. Dubai shopping. Because like right now it's like winter in Dubai is like the favorite season for tourists. Everywhere is crowded. The traffic is crazy. Uh, Normally it's a 15 minutes ride, but right now it's take an hour because you get stuck in the traffic. So I literally don't want to go anywhere. People say winter is the best season for Dubai. The weather, yes, but with the traffic, no. And with all those crowded, like all those tourists, no. I think summer is the best season. Like during August, I can get to anywhere where within 15 to 20 minutes. Like literally. Right now, wow. I have to start in traffic literally every day if I want to like hang out or what. Why would I change my approach? This is crazy. Chat. Chat. Why am I gonna do that? I was waiting the short sale for 1 hour and then after that I suddenly took it long. This is crazy. What's going on with me? No, I'm gonna live stream New York today. Because this is a mistake that I shouldn't have. What was the short idea? Because we are in premium. That's why I was trying to force short. Oh shit! Why would I even do that? But the good thing is we are using calculated risk and proper position size, so the losses didn't hurt me at all. My capital is safe and sound. But I think this is for like today's session, like for today's trade, I will definitely write in my trading journal because I realized I did something that I need to improve during the process, during the trading plan. So I always say to everyone that in my group, I told them you have to journal, you have to cap screen. And if you like it, you should share it in the Discord so we can give you some feedback. But if you want to keep it personal, make sure you're doing like correct approach for trading journal. Great transparency, yeah. Always being transparent. Just only those haters think I'm not transparent because they're not watching my stream at all. So they didn't see anything here. They don't know I show everything here. You know, they just think we're gambling. If I'm gambling, I should just, after I get stop out, I should immediately get into a shot, right? If I'm gambling. According to you, what should be the lot size on 50K? Well, first thing first, in futures, we don't use lot size, okay? I guess you're a Forex trader or CFD trader. We use contracts here, okay? So how many contracts? Are you using minis or are you using micros? And I would say if you're trading pot firm accounts, okay, not personal capital, if you're trading pot firm accounts, that's meaningless to trade micros. I know, you know, it's controversial, any shitty thing. That's just my opinion, okay? You don't have to agree with that, but like, pot firms exist because you can make good use of their leverage. But when you can make good use of it, you don't use that. And why are you trading with pot firms? Just to trade your own personal capital. Asia low sweep, also the previous day NYPM session low. How much does the direction of the daily dollar? What do you mean? I don't understand your question. Don't chase silver. Yeah, I don't. I try it. I try it. I think when I first get into day trading, when I first get into commodities, I did trade silver, also oil, also gold. You prefer watching 5 minutes to 1 minute in London session? No. I mean, I have my trade analysis before, high timing trade analysis before starting London. And then I will also have to take a look on 5 minutes, 1 minute, 30 seconds, 15 seconds. Also, you could switch to 15 minutes. I mean, I have two screens, so. Oh, come on. I'm not ending the stream, right? I'm not ending the stream. I got nothing. I literally got nothing for this session. No. I'll stay here forever until I got until the London session ends. I mean, I'm free today. I'm very available today, so I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. But I gotta be honest right now. You know, I missed the whole move, so to be honest, it's kind of hard to engage with price at the moment. But we'll see. Alright, we'll see. And usually after a range like this, a drop like this, price may consolidate. Even if price want to go up again, it's gonna consolidate for at least a period of time. Stream until NY session. You want me dead? That is like, wow, no. It's 10 hours, I think. Is that like that? It's 3 a.m. in Eastern time right now. And market open for New York is 9. So how many hours am I gonna stream? And you will be sleeping if I'm not like stopping the stream. But it's okay. I mean, my emotion is gone right now. I mean, like, I think you can actually hear it from my voice. Like, I was a little bit disappointed when I didn't stick with my train plan, but switched to the opposite approach in the very last minute. I was a bit disappointed for myself, but like, after a period of time, I think 15 minutes, the emotion is gone. Right now, I'm fine. I'm doing fine right now. I think that's a good thing for being a trader. You train yourself to recover from any emotions just in a short period of time, and you live normal. It gonna help with your daily life too. When something shitty happen to you in your life, and you have emotions just like everyone does, but like within a short period of time, you'll be fine, and you live like normal continuously. That's what I observe for myself. That I think this is the biggest difference. After me being a consistently profitable trader, this is the biggest difference, that I can recover from any emotion right at the moment. You're in Asia, so you won't sleep till end. Okay, fine. Let me take a look on lower time frame, higher time frame. Okay. Oh, okay. We got a low in here too. Forget it. 1 hour average to so bears right now. 4 hour daily. Cool. 15 minutes. We still got something here. Don't forget it. Got something here. I think this is like a relative equal low, right? Is that? Let me see. Low is 52. Yeah, this is a relative equal low. I want to mark out the liquidity pool, like close to the current price. Oh my god. I hope price didn't close the whole like outage gap yesterday. Because if it closes it at the moment, then it's hard for us to look for anything. We'll see if we got anything at like 4 a.m. because like for 3:30 we didn't get, like 3:30 is here. This one. I'm bored now. I'm bored. One more swoop. 50% yesterday end dot and 1 hour FVG. This one swoop. Let me take a look on ES. All right, chat. We will try this one last time. If we see, I just switch to 1 minute time frame. Yeah, after this, we'll try it one last time. Okay, I'm in. Let me show you. Where is it? Here. I am in. Can you see that? We'll see if we get another losses. Because I think this is the last thing I can get during this London session. Because I won't get any short up anymore. I can't get any short up at the moment. If this is a loss, then it will be like how many? Let me see. It's a 12 point stop loss. It will be 480 bucks. So it's around, including commission, is probably within 500 bucks. Okay, seems like price want me to do a losing stream. Okay, goodbye my 500 bucks. Goodbye my 500 bucks. I'll see you later. I will see these 500 bucks later during New York stream. I'll get it back. Probably not today though. But still, I'll get it back. Goodbye my money. You in the same chain, really? Don't copy my chain, okay? Remember, don't copy my chain. I'm not a signal provider or anything. I'm just trading my account. I'm not recommending anyone to copy me, okay? You do whatever you like. I'm taking my calculated risk, which losses won't affect me, my life, my daily life, my anything. That's why I risk this thing. Am I long? Yes, obviously. You guys didn't see that? I think you can see the linear trader, right? The linear trader chart here, right? So we sweep a lot of liquidity, including HLO and previous day NYPM sessional, also the previous day NYAM sessional. and we got a CB turn into IFVG. Also, we got a 1 minute BC here. So price go through this CB, turn it into IFVG, we chase back to the BC and go up again. We'll see if price we chase again with this range, because this CB is relatively large. So it's still reasonable for price we chase it, because like price can sweep this minor buy side liquidity and then wick into this PDRA and go back and sweep this sell side liquidity. It's possible. It's possible. But for me, this relative equal high is also another liquidity pool I'm looking for. So I'll try it. And I'm using calculated risk with the Charles pawn. I'm gonna adjust my stop loss right now. So right now it's 10 points, 10 points stop loss. After I adjust it, okay, it's 10 points, right at the low. We'll see. It's possible. It's possible for anything to happen. So always have a stop loss. Okay, always do bracket order and have calculated risk without oversizing. So after I adjust my stop loss, it's gonna be 400 bucks if I stop out. So it'll be 400 bucks. And if it's a loss, then I will be done for this session, because I think 2 losses in a row during one session is pretty much enough. I don't want to demonstrate a bad trading habit, because we should stick with our trading rules, which I can do it every day, obviously. But it's okay. I mean, you just have to get back to what you've done, what you should do. You know you should do, but you didn't. Get back to it, recover, you'll be fine. Let me take a look on ES. What is ES doing right now? Struggling. ES is struggling too. We get a slightly small S&P with ES. We'll see. We'll see. What risk parameters you use in passing evals? As always, always go full part in evals. I'm not saying that you to gamble, okay? Not gamble. You chase your evals, not gamble, but you full part it. You use the maximum contract, because that is an eval for you, right? And for me, this is a personal account that I use on TraderVay and also Ninja Trader. So this is my own capital. So when I take a loss, it's not like I probably brought up my fund account or what. It's literally my money, my own fucking money that I transfer from my bank to this broker. But I gotta say, I didn't really feel much difference, even for the live stream. And I also have to admit that when I'm live streaming, I would not be like very aggressive, because I know many beginners are watching the live stream, which they are not ready for trading aggressively. Even if I'm okay with that, but if they saw someone do something like that, they will just copy it. I don't want them to learn those trading approach when they're just beginners. Because even if I say don't copy me, people are still gonna copy me. I know that. So when I'm not streaming, I will go aggressively, but the aggressive is just mean using more contracts, which is not gonna be more than 5. The maximum for me is 5, maybe sometimes 6. but like mainly 5, even for my maximum position size. I mean, I get 50,000 on my account, so I can definitely go 20 contracts, but like I'm being disciplined. I won't go that way. You need to trade 5 days to pass TPT eval. Do you use max number of contracts? So for example, like I use 150K on TPT. So you have to reach $9,000 for per target. So what I'm gonna do with that 5 days is, because they have a 50% consistency rule, so I'll do 4,500 on first day and also 4,500 on the second day, and then the rest of the 3 days I will just flip with Michael, like MNQ. I'll just flip it. You can do that. They allow it. So that's what I did with my TPT accounts. But right now, after a while, you don't have to go through the whole pro stage. So when you trade with them for a period of time, they will allow you to just skip the pro stage and get into pro plus. So after you pass the eval, that account will immediately turn into a pro plus account. So you get 90% profit split, and also end of day, which is EOD drawdown. So I would say they're the best. As always, my top one, my number one perform account is, my number one perform is TPT. And they are now doing 40% off. Can you lose money more than what you deposit if you overlap? I think so. I didn't really look into this, but I think so. If you're like trading with high impact news, so for example, NFP, I would say it's possible. Don't TPT have daily drawdown? No, they don't have daily drawdown limits. That's the best. So okay, right now price switch into this 1 minute CB. Obviously, even the low of this CB, price already have reaction with it. I didn't adjust my stop loss to the BE because it's still too close to the current price, so it's kind of pointless if I move my stop loss to break even. It just means I literally give up on this trade if I like move like that. And with 10-point stop loss, I can accept it. I'd rather just take the 10-point stop loss without, because if I move here right at this moment, it's literally leaving no room for the trade to breathe. It's just too close. But like as I said before, I understand the risk of price getting into this PDA may cause a loss for this trade, but I accept this risk. And so whatever happened, I already know it. I have it in mind. I won't be surprised if I get stopped out or what. TPT is trailing only on pro stage, and on pro stage, when you pass your payout threshold, then there's no more trailing. But like as I just said, after a period of time when you trade with TPT and get some payouts, they will let you skip the pro stage. So when you get funded, you're literally getting funded with EOD drawdown, which is end of day. So there's no intraday trailing anymore. And I know people just like talking shit about intraday trailing, but I gotta have to tell you, those platforms that got good payout rules, they all have intraday trailing. You just have to come up with something that can beat the rules, right? How are you going to trade with this intraday trailing? You come up with something that you can overcome these barriers, then you'll be fine. I mean, it just, I don't understand why people say don't trade with intraday trailing. So when you get into something in your life, you're not gonna like overcome it, but just avoiding it. I don't know what is that, because for my personality, if I get into any difficulties, I will try to figure it out. Probably I'll ask someone, I will look for it on the internet, or I'll practice it myself. I'll just find a way to figure it out. But not like just, okay, I don't want that anymore. I just, get out of the way. I'm not that kind of person. So that's why I would say intraday trading, they got their difficulties, but you can do that because many traders are doing that. You took your trade off, Jerry? Oh my God, you make me want to take my trade off too. Thank you. Did you make money? Did you make money today? Is that you're in profit today, right? First trade of Chan 6. Okay, congratulations, Jerry. At least I make someone's money. Okay, that's good. That's awesome. Even if I took a loss, if someone make money with my trade, it's great. Congratulations. Take the parcel, yeah. Yeah, chat, take parcel, chat, take parcel, okay? If you don't take parcel, you probably if price retrace at this moment and you didn't take parcel, you didn't protect your capital, you probably take another losses. You did $450. That's awesome. I mean, that's awesome. You can get to fine dining right now. Will you live every day? I wanted to do that, but this week is NFP week, which I just know it. I didn't keep an eye on that. So sorry for that. So we don't trade NFP week. So of course there's no live stream for NFP week. But if there's no NFP week, I will try to do live stream every day. Okay, I will move my stop loss slightly below the, let me see, what the hell is that? Below the 1 minute bullish order block. So right now my stop loss is under this 1 minute bullish order block, which is 5.5 points. So if I get stop out, I will be $200. This will be a $200 losses if I got stop out. Can you trade 5 TBT eval together? Well, I don't recommend copy trading between evals. I don't think it's necessary. You're just gonna go aggressive with eval, so you better separate it. Not the best trading day I got, not the best trade I got, but still. Alright, we're in the middle of the range of the CB. We will see. We take a look on ES. Yes, also reach into that 1 minute FVG. Can we see it here? Also, okay. Also a 5 minute too. You know what is not good is we create China liquidity here, China sell side liquidity here. So we have some risks for price to retrace and clear some of the sell side liquidity. It's possible. It's totally possible. 349 nodes should be safe. 349. This one. Okay. $15 chart is looking promising. Really? Let me take a look on 15 minutes. Not so sure about that. You know, I was planning to deposit 100K US dollar into this broker account, but like I talked into another experienced trader, tell me to like, you shouldn't, because if you deposit too much money on a personal account, you probably want to risk more. It will kind of mess up with your risk management. So he advised me to deposit only 50,000, and then when I get into like because we know each other, we will be profitable with this personal account. When we get into 100,000, we should withdraw that 50,000 we made and remain half inside that account and continue with that 50K. So that was the plan. And we will see how many days do I need to reach into 100K. It's like double the account, double the 50K. You move your stop. Yes, chat. Take parcel. Remember to take parcel. Because like, if you copy my trade, which I didn't recommend you to do that, it should be you're having like 1,000 profit right now, which is not bad, right? I would say it's not bad, and it will cover the losses for my previous trade too. So, if this 1,000 profit is important to you, better take parcel, right? Because I don't know what your situation is. If it's like this is like your monthly income, or tomorrow is your payout day, then you better protect your capital. We took a bunch of sell side equity before making this one back up, so I think the China equity should be safe for now. I can. Okay, I see. I understand what you mean. I just. Because right now for me it's kind of meaningless to push my stop loss. Okay, but I understand that. Jerry's right. I will move my stop loss to break even right now. Okay, so it's 1 pawn above my entry pawn in order to cover commission or anything. So it's a risk-free trade now. So whatever. Since it's a risk-free trade, I feel nothing. Just do it whatever you want. Thank you. It's 4 a.m. Eastern time right now. We'll see if this 4 a.m. candlestick gonna take my stop out or gonna take me to my TP. Nothing is safe in trading. You're right. You're right. Come on. Nothing is safe in life too. Chat, remember to click the like button and also subscribe. To the moon? No, to the moon. Come on, thank you. Come on. Remember, today is the last day of APAS 90% off promotion. So if you want to benefit from it with 20 bucks per account. Oh shit, what the hell are you doing? Thank you. Why are you struggling at that time? Come on. Jerry, your favorite swing low is here, right? Your favorite swing low. I will give you your favorite swing low a special color. New H1, let me see. Yeah, I can see it totally. But to be honest, I gotta say these candles like make the whole situation become funny. We do need it. It's a risk-free chain. You're off. We're still in the chain. How can you off the stream? No, not. At least wait until the trade finish, no matter it's a break even or what. You gotta see like what is the result for this trade, right? Come on, if this is a break even, then I have to live stream for New York session. I don't want to work all day. Come on, thank you. And I have a lot of things to do after this, like work related things. You still here with me, Andrew? Thank you. You're always here. I like it. Andrew is a loyal audience. I almost see him like every stream. Thank you for being here. So, all right. Oh, I can see it. So here is not only a 1 minute bearish order block, and also is the end dot of today. That's why price is having this kind of reaction with it. You heard me is a good ICT trader. I think so. Because I always doubt myself if I'm really a good trader or not. But I think I am. Because I got so many invitations for interviews and podcasts. But I was like, am I qualified for that? I'm not that good. If you buy the APEX eval now and get them passed after Jan 7, no, you have to pass it today. So tomorrow when you activate it, it's gonna be $65 for the PA fee. And why would you need so many days to pass a pass. They got 1 day pass. So you can pass it within today. I'm not in Hong Kong right now. I'm just relocating, okay? I can relocate to any other countries anytime I want. So I'm not planning to stay here like forever. I will probably move to another country. Next year or maybe after 2 years. We'll see. You feel like I moved the stop loss too early? Me? Me? Seriously? I moved my stop. See, Jerry, someone don't even want me to move my stop loss. All right, like check. That is a very bad example, especially when you're a beginner or you're trading, like you're not very consistently profitable. Then you have to at least take partial and protect your capital. In the opposite, for me, even this trade is a stop loss, I got stop out, it won't hurt me. So I actually don't have to take my stop loss to break even at all. But for you, you need to do that. So don't listen to those people saying that you shouldn't move your stop loss to break even. Bro, this is your money, right? Those who tell you not moving a stop loss, they will not pay you your tuition fees, your rent, your mortgage, your living costs. You are the one who paying all this shit. So you have to protect your capital. Don't listen to them. Take partial. Okay, take partial. What FVG indicator are you using? I'm not using any FVG indicator. I draw all these things manually. I gotta be honest, I think I probably get break even for this trade right now because price taking too long for that, the consolidation, which is unusual because it shouldn't take that long. So I would say right now I got high probability to getting break even, but it's okay. Break even means you didn't lose anything, and I don't want to close the trade with here because it's not my trading plan. You should take partial, but in my trading plan, for myself, I don't have taken partial inside my plan because I don't need to, okay? But if you need it, you should take partial. Is TPT still your favorite firm? Yeah, of course. You know, before the Apex million payout, actually TPT is like the firm that I got most payout from. With only 5 accounts. You gotta understand, it's not like Apex you have 20 accounts. It's only 5 accounts. But I still getting a lot of payout from them because they have daily payout. You can literally, like for example, I make, I don't know, like 5,000 today, I can take it all with 90% profit split tomorrow. You know, but Michael doesn't move his stop loss that quickly, takes profits fast. Oh really? Oh really? You better know more than me, right, for that. Then don't take partial. Hey, I don't know what's your name, but like don't. Then for you, please, if you ever take any like break even, you're gonna be dead. You know, please don't do this, okay? If that's what you like. But to me, to my community, I'll tell them, don't fucking listen to those people to tell you don't take your break even. You understand what I mean, right? Your losses is your losses. Those people telling you don't push your stop loss to break even are not gonna pay for your losses. They just talk the talk. the profit, the losses is you. You are the one who gonna bear with all these risks. So because that, like, during your trading journey, there's so many people, so many other traders gonna tell you what to do and tell you to listen to them. You have to determine to decide what to listen or not. Because it's not probably me. You probably think I shouldn't listen to you. It's okay. But you have to understand like how to differentiate if someone's advice or opinion is worth it. It's like it is something you should include in your trading plan. Never argue with chat there, Oriens. Yes, but I'm boring right now. I mean, like, I got nothing to do, and I'm just like in between the risk-free trade, so I literally have nothing to do at the moment. If I'm like trying to decide if I should enter a trade or not, then I will just focus on the chart. But right now, I literally got nothing to do. Okay, price clear the minor buy side liquidity swing high here. We'll see how this candlestick react with it. How do you like Dubai so far? As you all know, this is not you don't have I don't even, this is not a country with freedom of speech, so I can't say. I gotta do ASMR. This is not a country with freedom of speech, so I'm not gonna talk about any negative things about it. You know what I mean? But I'm physically here, so it's not that bad. If it's like not good, if it's dangerous, I will just like move out immediately. But still, I don't have freedom of speech here. Trading online publicly is different and difficult. It is. But it also helped me to build up the discipline. And also, I won't trade out of boredom. I won't oversizing because everyone's watching. And right now, I got 200 people watching me. And back then, when I first started to stream on YouTube, there's like 30 people. There's only 30 people watching. But I still got nervous, even for only 30 audience. Yes, he break even at least after hitting a short-term high. Don't you see we fucking hit so many buy-side liquidity? Who is this fucking shit? Seriously. Get him out of the chat. Did you see the chat? Are you blind? We hit so many minor buy-side liquidity. We passed through so many swing high. And you didn't see it. $349 still safe. Yes, Jerry, your favorite swing low is still here. Safe and sound. We are still struggling inside this M dot. And also we got a volume imbalance here. Okay, we got a volume imbalance here. You put him in timeout. Jerry. Okay, thank you. I didn't do anything. Okay, it's Jerry. You're so important. You see, if we didn't have you in the chat, then our chat is gonna be a mess. So the volume imbalance, the bullish volume imbalance, did help price to go up, and this candlestick just swept this swing high again. We are 10 points to our TP. I am good at trading. I'm not so sure. Am I? But I took a stop loss. Am I still good at trading? Because people don't allow live streamers to take any losses. Like they assume we have to be winning every day, every trade. If not, then we are scammers. Then we are fool. What's your model? What's your strategy? I'm using ICT concept. That guy only knows about high, low, doesn't know imbalances. Yes, exactly. Imbalances is also internal liquidity. It's also liquidity, not just high, low. Beautiful trade. Well, we're not there yet. We still get we're right now at the high of the CB, so we're not safe yet. I mean, we are at break even, so risk free, but still a long way to go because we got a swing high here, right? It's still reasonable for price to hit this swing high and then go down again. It happened so many times before, so yeah, we have to mark it out also. We're not safe yet. John Button. Oh, it's for the YouTube. There's a YouTube membership. Well, you can join it if you like, but it's not necessary. I mean, you can still watch my live stream if you don't join it. But you will get your benefits for being a YouTube membership. Okay. C price retrace after hitting the high of this CB. Right now, volume imbalance is no longer valid. We see how price react with this BC. And let me take a look on let me take a look on ES. ES doing fine. This was a long trade. So we did was like 48 here. 47 right now is so long. It's okay. When I'm in a trade, the audience will stay with the stream. When I'm not in a trade, when I finish the trade, they will be gone. They were all gone. Because I tried last time I think I finished a winning trade and then 50 literally 50 people get out of the stream. Even if it's a winning trade. It's okay. It's a risk-free trade. And those who should take partial, I assume all of you already take your partial, right? That they need to take partial. For those who don't have to take partial, try to stop loss to break even. Most people are here for signals. I know it. I'm kind of hungry right now. It's 1:20 p.m. local time for me. I should definitely order something for my breakfast. Right? I didn't even have breakfast. It's crazy. I want some pancake. But is that pancake is kind of high calorie, right? What should I get? I want to get a poke bowl. It's still high in carbs. Oh my god. You want to be your own signal. That's a very good statement. That's a very good statement. Would you teach entry model? I am teaching it inside my community. Like I got a training camp for those who applied it. Do you have days where you buy and sell? What do you mean? What are you talking about? Okay, we will see how this 1 minute busy. We elevate the candlestick. Okay, let me mark it out. We got another CB here. Take a look on ES. Yes. Nothing special on ES. Jerry is coming to your swing low. Price is coming to your swing low. 鹹水影響 decision. Okay, is it the time that we should say goodbye to this trade? Are you coming to my break even? Or are you gonna hold with this BC? We got a long wick, which is technically a good signal, but also we created sell side liquidity here with all these free swing low. So it's moving so slow. I'm feeling a lot annoyed right now. Just get me out of the trade wherever you like. Good chain management, is that? I hope so. Wait, why Streamlab is the number one fans? Streamlab talk more than humor here in this chat. Still looks safe to you? Andrew. Are you living in New York right now or Boston? Oh, I'm asking Jerry. Where are like other audience coming from? Where are you guys from? Like which country is it? Because like this is like middle of the night for North America. So I was thinking maybe because of the time difference, probably I don't have many audience from many viewers from the US or Canada. India, Bulgaria, Singapore, UK, Scotland. Oh, okay. All around the world. France. Okay. Korea. Oh my god, I got some Korean. Okay, I can brag about that. We got some Korean traders here. New Zealand. Oh, Germany. But we don't have any Hong Kong traders here. What? Where's my Hong Kongers? Spain, Denmark, Australia. Oh, really? Canada? I thought it's like middle of the night for you. South Africa. To be honest, I kind of regret getting in this trade because we consolidate for a period of time which I hate the most, which is the situation that I hate the most. And I gotta admit, this is a lot of the best trade I got. I mean, no matter it's a win or break even or what, I get into this kind of trade, which is like high resistance liquidity run. It's not ideal. It's not ideal. So, like, for example, like this kind of thing, I need to write in my training journal. So, to remind myself what to improve, I want to understand what kind of situation, both on the trade and also in my mindset at that time, so I can adjust it for my upcoming trading session. Okay, we got some Hong Kong traders here. Awesome. You've been up 20 hours now? Oh my god, you okay? It's 4:29 for you. Jerry, I'm so sorry for that. Do you have to work tomorrow? Like for do you have to get up earlier? Well, I'm glad to have all of you in the chat. I mean, like, because I didn't turn on the camera, and I know people love watching live streamer with cameras. But like, maybe one day, one day when I have like 100k subscribers, then I will turn on the camera at that time, which is impossible because if I don't turn on the camera, I won't get 100k subscribers. So yeah, so that is impossible. Oh. Trying to pass your eval account at the poor moment. Okay, good luck. Good luck with your eval. And it's okay to blow up some evals. I mean, of course, you have to. It have to be affordable for you. So if it's like the evals is so expensive, then you're spending with your, I don't know, life savings, and then don't do that. Okay, then don't do that aggressive move. But normally, I think for Hong Kongers, eval is not that expensive. It's very affordable. So you should just do the normal approach, which is full ported. Is camera for OnlyFans? should I open the OnlyFans account? Should I? ICT has never turned on his camera. Yeah, yeah. True though. That's true. Where is Jack? Jack leave us. Jack is no longer active right now. He's with his sons, I think. Seriously, how do I have to hold this trade? Come on. Just give me whatever result, like B or whatever. Just let me close the trade. Hey, I think I probably have to stream until new session if price like keep consolidating like this. That means never. I'm tired. Do you prefer trading London or NY? Well, for me, because of the time difference, I would prefer trading London session. Because like when I was living in Hong Kong, New York market opened at 10:30 p.m., which is exhausting to trade. And even for my local time zone at the moment is gonna be 6:30 in the evening, which is still not ideal because I bet no one want to work at night, right? So I prefer London session. So like for example, after I finish the London session, I can just live my life, which I still got a lot of things to do, which is work related things. So I'm not like hang out or doing other things. And it's not healthy to work at night because when you get into trade, you get a certain level of stress. So I don't think it's healthy to maintain the stress level all day long. Right now, I would say we got an equal high here. If you can see it, right? Yeah, you high, but we got so many sales liquidity. So well, we'll see. We'll see. We are risk free, so I'm fine with that. You would place the TP at midnight opening price and leave it to cover the time cost. And if I'm not live streaming, I probably would do so too. But not maybe not midnight opening price, but a little higher than like my current TP. Okay, this equal high is sweep, and price just create another equal high, which is with this candlestick. We take a look on ES. ES is acting normal. Oh. I'm glad I'm live streaming with a standing desk. If not, then I probably fall asleep with this consolidation. Okay, equal high sweep. I'm not even looking at the chat right now because I'm looking at the window. I got a nice sea view here. I'm like, so every day I wake up and trade with a sea view. Awesome. And I just found that I can actually watch the fireworks on my balcony.
Connection lost.
Oh my god, I think, can you guys see it? I think the connection, yeah. It's good, right? No, I think the connection have some problem with it. Let me see. What the? Okay. This I'm using Wi-Fi instead of LAN cable. But why is it not showing on this chart? Why is it not showing on this chart? What the fuck? What is that? Bro, not when I'm gonna get my TP and not showing on my chart. Seriously? What the fuck? Alright, I will use my fucking shader way as inside. I don't know why my ninja shader is not showing it. I probably think, yeah, I lost the connection with it. What the? Still not showing it. Okay. It's back. Right? No? Yeah, it's good. Five pawn? 8 pawns to... Come on. NQ. Don't be naughty. Behave, NQ. Let me get out of this chain. NQ. I have had enough. Okay, this candlestick sweep this swing high. And we got another BC here with a 40 imbalance. So we'll see how it goes here. This is shaded 1 hour 20 minutes. So this is definitely not the best shade, I gotta say. But it's good for the view. You know what? It's good for the stream. Because people will only stay in this stream when I'm in a shade. Would you mind explaining it again? Yes, I might. I did mind because I explained it for 2 hours and like 30 minutes. So I do mind. Go watch the replay, okay? You can watch the replay of this live stream. Man, so exhausted. Yeah, I'm totally exhausted now. Can you hear me? Like, I'm starting talking nonsense right now. And is it bored because we don't have like background music? Because I get distracted by background music a lot, so I tend to not use any background music when I'm like live streaming. I mean, I talk a lot, so I think it's okay. I keep talking. Not in the trade, but you learn a great deal how you recover emotionally from the first trade. Yeah, it's important. I think that is like it got more education value than a winning trade. Is how are you gonna deal with a losing trade? Because you have to deal with it. Like everyone's have to deal with a losing trade. So you better prepare yourself for losing trade than just like getting like a wishing winning trade for every fucking trade. You took it. I only trade personal. No, I do trade profit my account, but like today I was only trading my personal. To try to demonstrate to those haters that I fucking got a personal account and I can trade as usual. I normally connect all my friend accounts. I didn't do it today. Maybe next stream. Maybe next stream I will like connect those accounts again. So I hope this trade can end before like 5 because like 5 a.m. Eastern time is the end of this London Q zone. I mean, you can still hold a trade, but like I'm not gonna actively trading during outside the Q zone. So 2 to 5 a.m. Eastern time is the London Q zone. 336 M1. What is that? 336. This one? This one? Please let you sleep. Don't. You have to stay with me. Chat, you guys have to stay with me. It just a few points left. You have to stay together, okay? We gotta hold it. Or maybe we got, I don't know, a fucking large bearish candle and then I got stop out. Who knows? This trade is around 1 to 3. I don't know. I think so. I didn't measure it. Let me calculate it. It's 1 to 3.5. It's 42 points TP, and my initial stop loss was 12 points. So it's 1 to 3.5. What do you mean? I am a female. I'm not so sure. Is it W? We've been here, so I can't tell you is it a W until it's a W. Because we've been here just like I think 20 minutes before. We've been at the same level. I don't know. Almost live stream for 3 hours. Is it your longest live stream? I think I live streamed 3 hours before too. At once. But I usually like just live stream for 2 hours. I think I'm in a good mood today, so I can live stream for a little bit longer. And we are in NFP week, so I can live stream before NFP. So it probably be the only stream for this week. But next week we will back to normal. We will stream a lot. And you know, as ICT trader, you don't trade before NFP, CPI, and FOMC. So I will also not live streaming during that time. 349 still safe. Yeah, it's still safe here. Your favorite swing low. Okay, right now we create another equal high with this swing high, this candlestick. Okay, let me take a look on ES. ES just gave me a SMT. Come on, yes. Behave, yes. Did you guys watch the latest ICT videos that he released in like 2026? I still don't have time for that. Like, I think I have to finish it like this week. You want to sleep? You want to sleep? I want to have my breakfast too. I'm starving. It's almost 2 p.m. for me. Do you only trade London? No, I also trade New York AM session, but like not every day because it's like evening time for me. So I'll do it only when I'm available. Andrew, you watch it or how was it? I'll watch it. I'll watch it. I'm just like arranging my schedule. Is it good? Is there something new? How long have you been trading? Right now it's 6 to 7 years around. But like actively day trading is like starting from 2021 to 2022. Because I cannot remember the exact timing, but it's around something like that. He saw a new PD area. Oh my god. Okay, I got a lot to learn. Seriously, seriously, what are you doing, NQ? Are you gonna let me to have my breakfast or not? Come on. We've been here for 10 minutes. What are your trading times for London and New York? For my local time, right now, because like if you switch to summertime, then it's gonna be different. But right now it's 11 a.m. for me to start the London Q zone, and also 6:30 for New York market open. Okay, fuck this. This candle is a huge bullish candle. Chat. You know what to do. Chat, we wait for this for the whole, I don't know, 3 hours. Chat, give me W. We need a lot of W. I need W in the chat. Everyone, W. We need W. No. We need more. We need more W in the chat. Good night, Jerry. Good night. Time for breakfast. I can't believe I can't believe it. I left you for 3 hours just for, I don't know, how much is that? I think it's not much, but still. Let me see. Well, really not much. 13,000. Better than nothing. I can pay for my breakfast at least. 3,000 US dollar. Chat. Hit the like button. Okay, hit the like button for the winning. For the winning trade. So, to conclude today, I obviously made a mistake at first because I was looking for short setup for an hour, and then I suddenly switched my approach at the last minute, which is insane, which is a loss on the first trade around $300, and then we made how much is that last trade? Let me see. Okay, we can see it in this trade. So the second trade is 16,000. So after covering the losses, is 14,000 for today. This is my personal account. Which is not bad. 44,000 US dollars. I mean, for 3 hours. But it's a live stream, so. Did any of you also got this winning trade too? Anyone? Anyone also take some profit for this trade? You can have like 50 breakfasts. 5 handles. Hey, how are you? It's been a while. What was that candle? It's because price consolidate for a while, so you have a candle like this. It's normal. Okay, congrats for anyone who also get into the trade. Though I said don't try to copy it. Because for disclaimer, and also for I don't know, the law or something regulation, so I have to say don't copy me. If I don't say it, it's gonna be my problem, so I gotta say it. But you can do whatever you want, you know that. So hit the like button and remember to subscribe to this channel. I'm so happy to have all of you in this chat to interact with me during this live stream. I hope everyone here did make some profit today. And also for those who want to know more, remember to subscribe to my social media, which is my Twitter. I will be like more, I'm active on my Twitter. And also you can join my free Discord. So link in the info box on this live stream. Well, I gotta admit that I'm like more active in my private trading community compared to the free channels, but I'm still here there, so you can still reach me out inside that Discord. So thank you everyone. Thanks all of you coming to the stream. I will see you next time. Remember to turn on notification. See you and Happy New Year!